Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ATHALLAH HARYANTO. I am from XTKJ1. I wanna make some tutorial how to installing Kali Linux in Virtualbox, cuy. Let's check it out. So this is the minimum requirement of your laptop to install Kali Linux in Windows. You need a minimum processor with 2 cores and 4 GB of RAM, 20 GB of storage. And first of all, you need ISO of Kali Linux. How to download it? You can download it in their website kalilinux.org and you click download here. So this is many choose you can choose, right? I prefer you to click virtual machine. Nah, in this case we see VMware and Virtualbox. Choose this one cause we using Virtualbox software. Okay, so I already installed it, and let's open Virtualbox. Click new to add operating system for your computer. Name it like Kali Linux by Inggris. Click next, and if you have 4 GB of RAM, you can pick like 1000 megabits or 2000 megabits. It's okay if you have 4 GB of RAM. I gotta pick maybe 8 GB cause I have 16 GB of RAM. So I click next. You need to create a virtual hard disk in this virtual machine. So click create and click FDI for virtual box disk image. So we using dynamic for newbie, right? In this file location, you change this to 20 GB. Yeah, great. Yep, this is already inside. So we click optical drive for booting ISO, choose image, and search where you put the location on your ISO. I put in hard disk, Kali Linux installer, this, open. Before we click start, I recommended you to go to settings, check the system processor. If you have 2 cores, you just need to change it to 2 cores. If you have 4 cores, you can change to 4 cores. I have 4 cores and 4 thread, so I pick 4 cores for this. And the display, you can maximum of this. Yep. And then done. This is not, choose not work. Enable 3D acceleration for 3D rendering. Okay, and start. So we already inside the BIOS mode of Kali Linux, right? So we install this. Click graphic install. Nah, in this select language, you can choose language what you want. I will choose English. Continue. This is a country of territory or your area. This is your country or your area. I wanna pick Indonesian because I'm from Indonesia. Asia, Indonesia. Pick Singapore. Continue. Map, American English. This is for keyboard setting. White.
A few moments later.
Yup, we are back again for a long time. So in these settings, this is hostname settings on your Kali Linux account. RAFI, ATHALLAH, AHMAD, HARYANTO. This is cause my name. Continue. Domain name. We just click continue. Full name of no user. I'm gonna pick RAFI, ATHALLAH, AHMAD, HARYANTO. Enter. Yes, continue. This is for password. You can do just random password. This is my password. Continue. Yep, this is city or time zone on your location. In my location, I'm gonna pick Western because I'm WIB. So this is a partitioning mode method. If you're newbie, you can pick guided. If you advance of using Kali Linux, you can click manual. So I'm gonna pick guided and click this is FBI that we mark. This is a requirement for our new users. Click this. Click finish. Check. This is the location that we download the Kali Linux installing folder. Click continue. Why to change this? Yes. Click yes. So as you can see in here, it says install the group bootloader to your family phone drive, and click yes. Click div SDA box service, that is our hard disk. We continue, right, for installing. As you can see, this is the final step of the installation, so we just click continue to reboot the system. So the system just rebooted, and wait until logging to desktop. So this is the username of your Linux. This is your password. So yeah, we are already inside the Linux desktop. So you can, as you can see, you can do terminal. This is the root password. You input it and you already in. Then this is the update system.
So yeah, that's all my tutorial. I hope you get it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in down below. Peace. Anjay.